Hello everyone, today we shall discuss exercise 3.2 question number 2. The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows: 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10 and 15. Find the mean, median and find the mean, mode and median of these data. Are the three same? Let us find. First of all, we have to arrange the runs or scored 11 players in an ascending order. Right, let us first arrange it in ascending order. First of all, you have to arrange the scores in an ascending order. Right? Now arranging the runs, arranging the scores, arranging the scores by 11 players in ascending order, in order, ascending order, we get ascending order. We are that is 6, then 8, then the number score is 10, again 10, 15, 15, 15, there it is 50, 50, then it is 80, 80, then 100, then 120, 120, right? If you find the mean, mode and median, right? If you find the mean, sum of all the observations by total number of observations. The formula for mean is equal to sum of all observations, sum of all observation, sum of all observation divided by sum of all observation divided by total number of observations divided by total number of observations, total number of observation, right? That means we have to add all the numbers, all the scores, right? Let us find the numbers are 6, 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120, and total number of observation means number of players. What is the number of players? Number of player is 11. Number of player is 11. They were divided by 11. Right? Now you have to add all the numbers. That is total number of observations. What you're getting, you see. Let us add the numbers. Here it is 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus 5 10 plus 5 15 15 15 15 plus 8 15 plus 8 15 plus 8 15 23 23 plus 6 23 plus 6 29 2 carry here it is 9 2 carry, right? 2, then 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 8 4 plus 8 is 12 12 plus 5 12 plus 5 17 plus 1 18 plus 1 19 plus 1 20 21 22 22 22 2 carry, here it is 2, right? Now 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, that is 429. 429. Here if you add the numbers we are getting 429, right, divided by 11. Now if you divide 429 by 11 you are getting, let us divide the number. Here you are dividing the number 429, 429 divided by 11, that is 3 11 33, 3 11 33. Here it is 9, carry on then 4, 9 9, that is 9 11 99, right? Therefore we are getting 39, right? Therefore the mean is 39. We get the mean as 39, right? Next we have to find the mode. What is mode? Mode is the value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Mode. We write mode. What is mode? That mode is the value of the variable. Mode is the value. Mode is the value of the variable. Mode is the value of the variable. Value of the variable which occurs most frequently. Most frequently. Most frequently. Here the mode, here which one is more? Here is 15. 15 is 1 2 3. The frequency of 15 is maximum, that is the frequency of 15 is 3. Therefore the mode of the given score is 15. Therefore mode of the given score is 15. Mode of the given score of the mode of the given score is 15, right? Mode of the given score is 15. So the next question is, you have to find the median of this data, right? Median, we know that median means the value of the middlemost observation is called the median of the data, right? That means now we have to find the median. Here median is equal to, here we have to find the median, right? Here n is, here is n is 11, right? N is 11, which is odd. Here you have to find n. Here n is equal to 11, which is odd, which is odd, right? Therefore you have to find the median value of 1 by 2 into n plus nth term, nth observation, right? Therefore median is equal to, here you write, therefore median is equal to value of 1 by 2 into n plus 1th observation, n plus 1th observation. Here n is 11, then we can write here as 1 by 2 into n plus 1. N is 11, 11 plus 1, that is 12 by 2, that is 6th observation. That is 6th observation. 6th observation, right? 6th observation. Therefore 6th term we count here, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. 15 we are getting 15, right? Hence the median is 15. Hence therefore median Therefore, median is 15, right? Here what we get that mean is 39. Here you see mean is 39. Mode is 15. Mode is 15 and median is 15, right? The question is, are the three same? This is no. These three are not the same. No. No, these three are not the same. No, these three are not the same. These three are not the same. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.